Hello, welcome to my channel again. Today, I would like to show you uh, the super easy way to publish our websites to the GitHub. In my previous video, I explained how our Vue.js web applications or websites how to deploy on the GitHub Pages, right? Because in this project, we use the Vue.js as a framework to develop our web applications. So like Vue.js is a modern framework, modern JavaScript frameworks, and in these days, most people use these frameworks. Before these framework not popular, we use only HTML and CSS, right? Very basic thing. So today I would like to show you uh, the website, only simple website that can be only HTML and CSS, only two feature. We don't need we don't need to learn any modern framework to build our simple website. So, and then these websites also can be published in GitHub Pages. This is totally free. Like, so for example, this is very useful for us. Like, for example, if you want to build our profile, like profile website, right? We don't need any data entry or any not much actions pattern. So it is suitable. We use only HTML, only single page, HTML and only design CSS file. We need only two files to build our professional website, right? Professional profile. So today I would like to show you these simple things. And yeah, I will show you the example of my profile. We have only one HTML file. Yeah, this is you have to create, right? Yeah, if you start a new project, you create a folder and you create a new file, right? And then you have to save .html. For example, your name file name .html. I will show you. Like for example, if you want to select your profile.html. Only we need HTML and also design to CSS file. So you have to create another file, right? Profile.css. We need only these two files, right? Okay, I will show you. I will not code here, right? Just you create these two files. So I have this the code. We have HTML tag and you will write your name, and we have navigation section here. Like it is different with Vue.js navigation button, and this is main. In main we have section about, skills, contact, and this one you can put your email, right? We can put our email and our profile link, and this one only these pages we need for our profile. And for this, we have one CSS file. So today I would like to show you how to deploy this website. Our website can be accessible from anywhere, anytime. So we will choose a free platform, right? Very simple and no cost. We don't. So we will publish on GitHub, right? Yes. In my previous video, I show you Vue.js projects to deploy on GitHub Pages. So today we will publish our profile. We will build our profile so that everyone can see, oh, who we are. We can add our project, our skill, right? If you have any more, you can update your websites. Very interesting. Only simple things, CSS file and HTML file. Only two files. We don't need too much coding. Okay, so let's deploy. Also, I will show you today different things. When we deploy, in GitHub, in my previous video, I show the command line tools, right? How to push our projects to the GitHub pages like by using git command. So I think for the beginner it might be confused or forget the command. So today I will show you to how to define this simple website only HTML and CSS file to deploy on GitHub without git command. That's easy way I want to show you. Okay, so it is the same like we need to have GitHub account, right? We need to have GitHub account, and firstly we will create a new repository for our projects, for our profile projects. This one my previous repository, full stack app and test web. So we will create a new repository first. Yeah, click new, and we will provide our repository name profile. You can give any other name, right? Just for example. Okay, profile is available. Yeah, the green one. And also you can choose public or private. So I will choose public. And at README, actually we don't have anything README. Okay. And then after that, click create repository. Yeah, so here we already create our repository name, profile, and public. So the second step, we need to add file, right? So if we create GitHub, we have to add this code to the GitHub pages. So when to upload this coding to the GitHub pages, we can use we have two options. We can use the command line tool, right? Like yesterday I show in my previous video, I show you git command, right? Terminal tools, these command line tools, and also yeah, you can use this command line tool, and we can use the only GitHub pages and like here. So today we will not use any command, okay? So I will close. Just upload the file and deploy. Okay, so after you create a repository, the second step, we have to upload the file, our file in the GitHub pages in our repository, right? So upload file. Okay, drag file. You can do drag and drop here, but I will choose. Also, you choose your file. So my coding is here, my profile. Anyway, we have only two files, right? The first one HTML file, .html file, and also the second file we have CSS file. Profile.css, this one. You cannot see anything. Let me check the code here. I have this one, this profile. Because you can see if you are not sure which file, style profile.css, only these two files. So we will choose style.css, only two files to build our website, our profile website. And also for the deployment, this is free GitHub pages. Okay, here, after you upload your two files, HTML file and CSS file, and then click to commit changes. Don't forget to click on commit changes. Yeah, processing your file. Okay, our file is already in our GitHub repository, my profile and CSS profile. And then we already here we don't need give comment. We already upload our website to GitHub profile. Commit changes, and then no need this command, complicated command. Yeah. So we just need to do only three steps. First step we create repository, and the second step we upload our website to GitHub. Just draw and drag or click open file, add file, upload file, then click on call messages. And number 3, we have to enable GitHub Pages, right? The same in my previous video. After uploading our coding in the GitHub Pages, we have to enable the pages. Go to setting and you have to choose in the branch, main or master. In the folder, you need to be root, select root. Okay. After that, you just click save. So it is finished deployment. Oh, very easy. So we already finished step 2, and then we will go to the setting, and then go to pages. We don't see anything here. We haven't not defined yet. And then we here you see under the branch here name, right? So in this here we have to select main and then root file. In my previous video, I show you this command, right? At that time, we use git command and it is already made and root, so we don't need to revise. But here, in this deploying process, we don't use any git command, so we have to do manually, right? Manually upload the file and manually edit the setting here, make and root. Okay, after that, finish, save. Just wait for a few minutes or seconds to deploy. So that our profile website is already live, and you can share this URL to anyone or to your like CV or in your profiles, so anyone can see. Oh, this is your skill and your expertise. And later we can select our domain, custom domain, so it totally look professional. And we don't have any cost. Even call it only HTML and CSS file, two file, and define its GitHub pages. Okay, let's see the how deployment progress is. Go to our repository, and when you go to your repository, you will see finish here. Deployments when before we don't have anything. So this is super easy way to deploy our profile websites on GitHub Pages, and we don't have any cost. So we want to share our websites to everyone so that they can access. You know where you have to find it. Go to setting and go to pages. So we will see the URL. Yeah, this is our website. Your site is live